Hello my loves, how are you all? If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this cute and simple box braid bob right here, then go ahead, grab your popcorn and drinks, sit back, relax, and stay tuned. Okay, so hello, welcome back to my channel. This is not even sturdy. Okay. Welcome to my channel. This is very awkward because, you know what, forget it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all of you who have subscribed, just been supporting me. And even to those of you who have not subscribed but have watched my videos, like, thank you. Today's video, I'm going to try to do something to my hair, my braids. As you can see, I've had these in and they're like, just know that I've had these in since December 25th. My hair has grown out. I can kind of show you guys how much. Your girl got mad new growth basically. So I'm going for like a bob, maybe a longer bob, because I know that my real hair it comes down pretty far, so I don't want to risk cutting that and like cutting that with the braid, because even right here I'm not certain that this is the end of my hair. It could be just a part of my hair and my hair could still be wrapped up in the braid even down here. So being extra careful, being extra precautious, and I'm just going to make sure I give myself enough space. Like, I know that my hair is not all the way down here, so I'm just gonna make sure I give myself enough space to make sure that I'm not cutting anything off, because you know I'm trying to get some inches back, you know. Sis big chopped. Oh my gosh, the hair journey, let me tell you. I'm not gonna tell you, but let me tell you, it's been a long time coming. Before I set up my camera, before I did anything, I went and I started putting the rubber. Alright, that's irrelevant. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Woo. Lord, I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and it did nothing for me. Like, I am still so hungry. But okay, so I just take and I fill it and I use my mirror. I use my mirror to like look and make sure that like wherever my hair, like wherever I'm gonna put the rubber band, my hair is not growing to. I'm just using regular black rubber bands. But what I try to do is match the rubber band to like the braid right below it, because it's gonna fall over it, and I want it to be kind of like, I think it's called Asymmetrical Bob, but I want it to be all even and then just come longer in the front. So I'm trying to match the length of the rest of the braids. So I just like put them together, put my finger there. And because this braid is a row above the braid that I'm comparing it to, I'm going to bring it down a little tiny bit so that it's evenly matched, because like if a braid is higher on your head, it's gonna appear shorter than the braid below it. So I hope that makes sense. I would say the hardest thing is just the measurements of like where you're gonna put the rubber bands, because you kind of have to like map out each one so that it comes together looking good. so scared. I'm looking at myself in this mirror, y'all. And I'm like, ooh, when she get thick. I don't like doing my hair. I don't like doing my hair. So proud of myself for attempting this though. Like, can I just have a moment of silence followed by a round of applause for even thinking that I could do something like this? Thank you. To be honest, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, clearly. But, you know, you just have to keep the faith. You know, just keep your head up, you know?
Boom.
I said that I was going to braid every so often just to see and make sure that I'm not cutting my real hair off. I feel like I'm right. Alright, we're good to go. So I'm gonna cut it some more. Just come a little closer for you guys and myself to see. I'm just coming like right below the first section. Okay. Pray for me because I be doing stupid things. Pray for me. I think I'm good. We'll find out. The same length. Just kidding. I'm cutting it rather than burning it is because I did this about 2 years ago, I want to say, and I burned the ends and it was a disaster. Like, everything was snagging on it. It had so much lint in it and it just looked crazy. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that again, but I do like the bob look. And it was also Kanekalon hair and not synthetic hair, and I know that the synthetic hair, it burns more plastic. It burns plasticky, so it like melts together better, and it's not little pieces that have like burned off, you know, to snag on things. I look like Moesha. So I think I am gonna go ahead and take a break on that note to go eat. And when I come back, I'll have like most of it done. This is the last one, and I'm gonna give it a little bit more space than yeah. I don't know, this length is giving me real 90s vibe, like Poetic Justice, you know, in the thunder and rain. Ooh, no, I don't wanna stop just because. Or Lauryn Hill vibes, am I right? But yeah, it's pretty much all that there is to it. So I'm gonna fix it up and I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Okay. I am finished. It's like 1 o'clock. I evened it out a little bit where I knew it would fall and everything. This one braid, like I said, I was gonna have to probably pin these on like right here. I really like it. It's cute. It's simple, it's cute. I could definitely dress it up. I'm looking at it over here, so let me turn a little bit so you can get the view that I'm getting. Let me tell you, I did not think this was gonna come out right at all. I was just hoping for the best, and I think it came out pretty good. So I'm gonna turn around again for you guys and show you the back. So that's that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and ask whatever you need to ask. I will answer all of your questions. I really don't have much to add, but I do want to say, okay, so, oh my gosh, ooh, all right, I'm gonna